trailer. Here on Honda Street Garage, we're currently going to pick up a 1994 Honda Civic EX. It belongs to my fiance. By yours truly, Els Towing. What's up with that, Els?
You know, I got the price for the low.
Free!
You broke down, I get you a Toto.
Did it have these on it?
Oh, you got it.
It's dirty. What kind of motor is? Which motor is going in? That motor? Yeah, that was V2. Toy car.
Project Ratchet with a Ratchet. She's a girl that works on Hondas.
Straight from the trailer park.
You want to be on the videos?
Why'd your shirt say pink but it's red?
Because it's the brand.
I'm gonna wear a green shirt tomorrow. It says black on it.
Alright.
Didn't say cheese.
Good girl. Good girl.
Say pizza.
Ooh.
What? She's talking about taking the meshes.
Thomas is tucking the brake lines. Semi.
Yo, bitches have fun.
Take this tool.
Wait, what are we doing here? Wait, hold on. We are zoomed in. What are we
We're
doing?
gonna be using this tool
I don't know what you're talking
to
about.
cut this brake line.
How to cut brake lines.
Oh yeah, you can cut big brake lines, big pipes, little pipes, all of this.
Where you get that tool at, boss?
Any of your local part stores. You could even get them from Home Depot.
Harbor
Any of
Freight,
those stores.
right there.
You do is you slightly tighten it till it reaches. Put a little bit of pressure on there. And you go around like 2 or 3 times. Tighten it up a little bit more. Go around 2 or 3 times again. Tighten it a little bit more. You don't want to go too fast or you could pinch the brake line and then you have more trouble when you flare it. Tighten it a little bit more. Just keep repeating. You see it will get easier as it cuts it and then it will just break.
Ooh.
You have a clean flare. You take this part,
Let me see the clean flare.
or that's not a flare, but a clean
what?
cut. You take this
Get a clean cut.
and then you go in here and clean it up even more and get any little burrs out of there. Like Gucci Mane burr.
What kind of shirt are you wearing?
It's a gentleman's club shirt. It's my old job where I was a bouncer at a strip club where I met your mom before we got married. We're taking videos, so you think using painter's tape.
Charlie's using painter's tape.
No, this is not painter's tape.
We're gonna delete everything. We're gonna delete the wheels, the shifter.
Engine cut. So, little update. It's 6:30 on Thursday evening. We have a week to go. I have a ton of stuff still to do. My fiance's here helping me. We've got the headlights in the AC lines, or most of the AC lines. We've got battery tray, harness, brake booster, all that stuff's good to go. The fenders are on now. So we're getting close, we're getting real close. I still gotta paint the motor. You know, still waiting on the valve cover to get back, still waiting on a few odds and ends, but hopefully we're gonna make it.
That fire so good. The word.
What are those?
Oh, I love those.
What are those? Weather's Original Caramel Popcorn.
They're
I'm
gourmet.
fat, I'll try those.
Gourmet. That's more special than regular, right?
I guess.
Hey, this is Honda Street Garage, not Honda Eat Garage.
Oh.
So, she's currently back there vacuuming. You can hear it. I'm gonna show you a to-do list, what we have left to do.
What?
Got to put in the soft clutch line, shift linkage, inner and outer tie rods, and ball joints. That's not on there. Get the alignment done. Tires and rims need to be mounted in balance. Interior is now clean. We can mark that off. Water sprayers for the hood. Actually, just the little plugs that go on there. We got to paint the motor tomorrow so we can get this bad boy in. Do a fresh oil change. Got to put a pulley on there for the AC so we can get the AC back all together and charged. And obviously drinks, stay hydrated, liquidated, whatever you want to call it. Trash needs to be taken out. Huge mess. Gorgeous girl. Well, it's the end of Thursday. We're about to head home. I'm gonna show you one last little quick update. We now have the OEM optional console in with the doubled in. Clean with the black OEM armrest. What's inside of that armrest? With the OEM cup holder. Ooh wee! So, just a little look, sneak peek. Also from the Ford Taurus, got the cup holders and coin tray. Get with it.
Ford Taurus.
And of course the Ratchet.
I'm not Ratchet, and I do not have a Ratchet. And
Gorgeous. What's going on? Just a little update. Friday evening. Just finished painting the motor. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Hopefully gonna be putting the motor in tomorrow. But definitely got a lot more updates and pictures for you. A little bit of video. Rear mounts in. Here's an update. Motor's going in. Hello there, Alex Todd. Scratch and sniff, big bastard.
This is the Mazda man for any of you Mazda fans that also like Honda.
How awesome is that? That right there. More people need to be like this 5-year-old. Just, that's amazing.
That little girl that came over the road?
Alrighty, got her all together. We're gonna try to see if it'll start.
that valve cover though.
Alright, Thomas, give it a try.
He's on the phone.
Runs perfect.
So Ratchet with a Ratchet, right? Ratchet with a beard.
Nikki with the dicky. What's up?
He got him dickies.
Sweet.
And the under Honda Street Garage ain't even here.
She runs.
He be bullshit.
You're doing it now.
Huh?
You're doing it now. She said he didn't really answer your question, but I mean.
Why he stupid? They don't ever see each other on Thursdays. And then I got moving in with each other.
What do you mean?
We don't see each other every night.
I can't see each other only on Thursday.
That's their thing.
She's always working.
Alrighty, just an update. We've got the axles in, the shift linkage, intake, radiators on, headers on, put coolant in it. We're going to bleed the brakes real quick, and then we're going to start up, take it down the road and see how it does. They're like going to the floor.
head wrong.
Was it bouncing a lot? Okay. Cool. Well, there she is.
A lot different than
He's recording, it feels gay. Sex's Buffer Shop, Cherrydale, South Carolina. Getting the exhaust done on the coupe. Got the Apexi World Sport going on. Well, just the muffler, not the whole exhaust. She has cold AC.
B18 with a VTEC had minus, excuse my language, with AC.
You sound like an idiot.
With a C what?
AC.
With a C.
I had a mean look.
Here we have the AC installed.
I said AC.
Here in the South Carolina, we boys is heavy and we need to quit sweating all the time. So we like to keep our AC. All that tucking shit.
AC.
Do you have AC in your Mercedes?
Yes.
A Z?
But not.